Gentlemen, how you doing? How you doing? We don't hire brokers here. We train new ones. Okay, now here's the deal. I'm not here to waste your time, okay? And I certainly hope you're not here to waste mine. Become an employee of this firm and you'll make $1 million within your first 3 years. Now, I'm gonna repeat that. You will make $1 million within 3 years of your first day here at JT Marlin. Now, there's no question whether or not you'll become a millionaire. And the question is, how many times over? You guys think I'm joking, huh? I'm not joking. I am a millionaire. It's a weird thing to hear, right? Let me tell you. It's a weird thing to say. I'm a fucking millionaire. And guess how old I am? 27. You know what that makes me here? A fucking senior citizen. Because this business is comprised of people your age, not mine. Luckily for me, I'm fucking good at my job, or I'll be out of one. Now, you guys are the future swinging dicks of this firm. Okay, the new blood. Big swinging dicks. Now, you guys all look money hungry, and that's good. Okay, anybody who tells you that money is the root of all evil doesn't fucking have any. They say money can't buy you happiness. Oh my God, look at the fucking smile on my face. Ear to fucking ear, baby. You want details? Fine. I drive a Ferrari 355 Cabriolet. What's up? I have a ridiculous house at the South Fork, and I have every toy you could possibly imagine. And the best of all, I'm liquid. Now that you know what's possible, I'm gonna tell you what's required. You're required to work your fucking ass off. Okay? We want winners here, not pikers. Pikers walk at the bell. A piker asks how much vacation time they get. Vacation time? People come to this firm for one reason. Become filthy fucking rich. That's it. We're not saving the fucking manatees here, guys. We're not trying to make friends. You want vacation time? Go teach third grade at a public school. Okay. Your first 3 months at the firm, you'll be a trainee, make $150 a week. Okay? Take your Series 7, pass that, you're opening accounts for your team leader. Okay? Open up 40 accounts, open a business for yourself. Sky's the limit, fellas. Now, you guys need to know something being a trainee. Your friends, your family, your parents, they're gonna give you shit. Let's be honest, $150 a week, it's not a lot of money. Pay them no mind. You need to learn this business, and you need to learn it now. Your friends, they're shit, okay? Tell them you made 25 grand last week. They're not gonna fucking believe you. Fuck them. Fuck them. Your mom and your dad don't like the life you lead? Fuck your mom and your dad. Let's see what they're saying when you're making the fucking Lexus payments. Now, gentlemen, I want you to go home and think about this, okay? Think if this is really what you want to do. Okay, look, if you decide this isn't what you want to do, look, listen, the job isn't for everybody, okay? But if you do, call me on Monday and we'll talk. Just don't waste my fucking time. All right, that's it.